Denotation of the 7th house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the 7th house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope provides insights into areas related to relationships, partnerships, marriage, and significant others. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the 7th house lord is in the first house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships play a significant role in the individual's identity and self-expression. They may attract partners who are assertive, independent, or have strong personalities. Second house. When the 7th house lord is in the second house, it indicates that relationships and partnerships may have an impact on the individual's finances and material possessions. They may find financial stability or resources through partnerships, or their financial situation may be influenced by their significant others. Third house. When the 7th house lord is in the third house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships may have a strong communication or intellectual focus. The individual may have a sibling-like relationship with their partners, and their relationships may involve a lot of conversation and exchange of ideas. Fourth house. When the 7th house lord is in the fourth house, it indicates that relationships and partnerships may be closely connected to the individual's home, family, and emotional foundation. They may seek emotional security and stability in their relationships, and their partners may play a significant role in their domestic life. Fifth house. When the 7th house lord is in the fifth house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships may have a creative or romantic nature. The individual may attract partners who are playful, expressive, and have a love for artistic or recreational activities. They may also experience romantic partnerships that bring joy and inspiration. Sixth house. When the 7th house lord is in the sixth house, it indicates that relationships and partnerships may involve service, work, or health matters. The individual may attract partners who are helpful or service-oriented, or their relationships may revolve around shared responsibilities and duties. Seventh house. When the 7th house lord is in the 7th house itself, it amplifies the energies of partnership and marriage. The individual may have a strong desire for committed and harmonious relationships. They may attract significant others who have a strong presence in their life and may experience a deep sense of partnership and balance. Eighth house. When the 7th house lord is in the 8th house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships may involve transformation, shared resources, and deep emotional connections. The individual may experience intense and transformative partnerships, and their relationships may involve issues of trust, power, and shared finances. Ninth house. When the 7th house lord is in the 9th house, it indicates that relationships and partnerships may involve travel, higher education, and spiritual or philosophical pursuits. The individual may attract partners who have a strong sense of adventure and exploration, and their relationships may involve a shared quest for knowledge and growth. 10th house. When the 7th house lord is in the 10th house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships may have a professional or public dimension. The individual may attract partners who are ambitious, career-oriented, or have a significant social status. Their relationships may impact their public image and professional life. 11th house. When the 7th house lord is in the 11th house, it indicates that relationships and partnerships may have a strong social or community-oriented focus. The individual may attract friends who become significant others or may find their romantic partners within their social circle. Their relationships may involve shared goals and aspirations. 12th house. When the 7th house lord is in the 12th house, it suggests that relationships and partnerships may involve a sense of sacrifice, hidden dimensions, or spiritual connection. The individual may attract partners who are compassionate, spiritual, or have a connection to the mystical realms. Their relationships may involve a deeper understanding of the subconscious or a need for solitude and introspection.